This is your Emojo Hurricane Pro installation and setup guide. First step is to inspect the box for any damage. Inspect the bike for any damage. Lay out the accessories. This should include your battery, fender, and accessory box. Inside the accessory box should be the pedals, charger, quick release mechanism, and owner's manual. The first step is going to be attaching the handlebar. Remove the protective tape, orient the handlebar with the handles facing you. Unlatch the handlebar and loosen the bolts. Then tighten the stem to the front suspension and be careful not to over tighten. Next, adjust your handlebar to your desired position and tighten down. Remove the plastic from the bike and discard. Remove the pre-installed bolt and screw. Next, take your fender and place the mounting arms behind the bike. Then, take the long screw and lead it through the front light. Remove the pre-installed screws from the fork and attach the mounting arm to the fork with the screws. The next step will be installing the front wheel. Remove the protective plastic from the front wheel and discard. When installing the front wheel, please make sure to line up the brake disc and caliper to avoid any damage. Identify the quick release mechanism and unscrew the opposite side of the latch. The latch should be on the opposite side of the brake disc. Next, lead it through the axle and tighten down with the spring and screw. Lastly, clamp down the latch. Now, take your pedals and identify the left and right pedals. They will be labeled. Then, tighten the pedals with a 15mm wrench. Next, unpack the battery and key. Make sure the battery is facing the correct way when installing it. The LED indicator should be facing towards the top. To release the battery, insert the key and turn it. To connect the display, locate the two green tipped connectors and find the two arrows. Next, line up the arrows and firmly press together. Before turning on the display, make sure the battery is installed. Then, hold down the M on the controller for 3 seconds until it powers on. To turn the front and rear lights on, hold the up arrow on the controller. Then, to turn them off, hold the up arrow on the controller. This is your Emojo Hurricane Pro installation and setup guide.